Welcome back at the Not Just Sawdust workshop. After a long March month of rain and rain and rain, we're in April and what we got? Rain and rain. So you haven't seen videos of me for a few weeks, and that's because I'm working on this big project of which I'm now getting to the end of it. It's the library that I'm building, and I'm a few days in of completing the first room. I need to make a little window seat, and that's the last thing, then I'm finished with that project for now. But I thought, well, I've got a little project here, and that's repairing what's supposed to be a oak table. But as you can see, it is not quite what it's supposed to be. It's only got like the outside made of oak, and then on the inside there's a kind of pine, and it's even a bad quality. So these little corner blocks broke, and I'm going to try to fix this, make new little blocks inside and make it a bit stronger so the legs won't fall off anymore. I do have this old beach beam which is warped, but to make these little blocks it really doesn't matter on that little distance, so I'm just gonna cut 4 pieces and see if I can make these blocks out of that stuff. And yes, I know that's a stupid way of doing it, but I thought I could make them thicker. But it turns out there's a sliding system going past it, so I had to cut them exactly the same size as the original were. But these are stronger blocks than this, well, whatever it is. Don't do this. Well, I don't have to tell you that. Now instead of using these little screws that were in there, I'm using longer ones that reach into the oak on the outside. So that's much stronger, because in this pine, well, not much actually stays in, so just a better solution than it had before. So I filled up all the little holes that were damaged with some epoxy and some sawdust, and this frame is as sturdy as, well, it should have been from the beginning. This was just a little project, but just to maybe give you a warning whenever you're walking into a shop and they're selling solid oak furniture. Just get on your knees and crawl under a table like that and see what's really underneath all the nice surface. I'm gonna go on and get my table saw ready to cut some last bits of profiles for the library project, and then I'm gonna start on the little window seat that's gonna go in there, and I'm gonna videotape that, so that's gonna be the next video. But for now, do some woodworking. It's a very nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling. It's an even better way to spend your time. And I'll see you all in the next video. Até logo.